Have you ever wondered why some manufacturers choose laser cutting while others rely on plasma cutting for sheet metal fabrication? Both are CNC thermal cutting processes. Both can cut steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, but they are not interchangeable. The differences affect precision, edge quality, cutting speed, and total manufacturing cost. So in this video, let's compare laser cutting and plasma cutting in a practical engineering way. Let's start with laser cutting. Laser cutting uses a highly focused beam of light to melt or vaporize material along a programmed CNC path. The beam diameter is extremely small, typically around 0.1 to 2.3 millimeters. This creates a very narrow kerf, which is the width of the cut. Because of this, laser cutting achieves high dimensional accuracy and excellent repeatability in production. Modern fiber laser systems are the most widely used in sheet metal fabrication today. They are fast, efficient, and especially strong on stainless steel, aluminum, and mild steel. Assist gas plays a critical role in cut quality. Nitrogen produces clean, oxide-free edges, especially for stainless steel parts. Oxygen increases cutting speed on mild steel but leaves an oxidized edge. Compressed air is sometimes used for lower-cost, non-critical applications. Now let's move to plasma cutting. Plasma cutting uses an electrical arc to ionize gas into a high-temperature plasma jet. This plasma can reach temperatures above 20,000 degrees Celsius. It melts electrically conductive metals and removes material from the cut path. That means plasma cutting only works on conductive materials like steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. It cannot cut plastics, wood, or composites. One of plasma cutting's biggest advantages is that it doesn't require a perfectly clean surface. It can easily cut through rust, paint, and mill scale without any surface preparation. Now let's compare precision and edge quality. Laser cutting typically achieves tolerances around plied 0.5 to 0.2 millimeters, depending on material and thickness. Plasma cutting is wider, usually around 0.25 to 1.0 millimeter. The reason is physics. Laser energy is highly focused and stable. Plasma arc is wider and less geometrically controlled. Laser also produces a much smaller heat-affected zone, or HAZ. That means less distortion, less discoloration, and cleaner edges. Plasma produces a wider HAZ and may leave a slight bevel or dross on the cut edge, which often requires grinding or secondary finishing. Next is thickness and cutting speed. Laser cutting performs best on thin sheet metal. On materials under about 6 millimeters, fiber lasers are significantly faster than plasma systems, but as thickness increases, the advantage shifts. Around 12 to 20 millimeters, plasma becomes more competitive, and above 20 millimeters, plasma is usually the more economical and faster option for structural plate cutting. Some high-power plasma systems can cut steel over 100 millimeters thick, which is beyond most production laser systems. Now let's talk about cost and production efficiency. At first glance, plasma cutting is more affordable. Lower machine cost, lower consumables, and simpler operation. But laser cutting changes the equation in another way. Because laser produces clean edges and tight tolerances, it often reduces or eliminates secondary operations like grinding and deburring. That reduces labor cost and improves downstream processes like welding and press braking. So the real comparison is not machine price, it is total cost per finished part. So when should you choose each process? Choose laser cutting when you need tight tolerances, small holes, complex geometry, or cosmetic edge quality. It is commonly used in aerospace, medical, electronics, and precision sheet metal parts. Choose plasma cutting when you are working with thick structural steel, looser tolerances, or budget-sensitive fabrication. It is widely used in construction, heavy equipment, and structural frames. In many industrial workflows, both processes are used together. Plasma is used for rough cutting thick plates. Laser is used for precision features and final detailing. So here's the simple takeaway. Laser cutting is about precision, edge quality, and complexity. Plasma cutting is about thickness, speed, and cost efficiency. The best choice depends on your material, tolerance requirements, and production goals. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more engineering and manufacturing insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.